Hello everyone, welcome to today's full body warm up session. Before any workout, warming up is very important. It increases blood flow, improve flexibility and help prevent injury. Please move at your own pace, breathe normally and listen to your body. Let's begin. First, start by marching in place. Lift one knee, then other. Keep your arms moving naturally. Stand tall, keep your chest up and shoulder relaxed. Breathe in through your nose. Feel your legs walking up, your body getting warmer, and your heart rate slowly rising. Next, we are doing neck rotation. Now, slow down, gently roll your neck from one side to other. Do not rush. Now, roll your shoulders forward and backward. Release any tension from your neck and shoulders. Take slow deep breaths. Feel the upper body relaxing and opening up. Next, we are doing arm circles. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Make small circles forward. Then backward. Now make bigger circles. Keep your core tight and back straight. Breathe smoothly. Feel your shoulders, arms, and upper back becoming active and ready. Next, we are doing torso twist. Bring your hands in front of you. Now twist your body gently from side to side. Keep your hips facing forward and let your waist rotate. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as return center. Feel the movement in your waist, spine and core. Next, we are doing side bends. Place one hand on your waist and reach the other arm overhead. Bend slowly to one side, then switch sides. Do not lean forward, stay long through your body. Breathe deeply into your ribs. Feel the stretch through your sides, waist, and core muscles. Next, we are doing hip circles. Hands on waist. Make slow circles with your hips. Move one direction, then change sides. Keep knees soft and movement controlled. Breathe naturally. Feel your hips, lower back, and pelvis loosening up. Next, we are doing knee lifts. Now lift one knee at a time toward your chest. Use your core to raise the leg. Swing your arms gently for balance. Exhale as the knee lifts. Inhale as it lowers. Feel your lower belly, hips and thighs working. Now look this other side. Next, we are doing half squats. Feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees slightly. Then stand back up. Keep your chest lifted and knees in the line with toes. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you stand. Feel your thighs, glutes, and legs becoming stronger and warm. Next, we are doing heel raises. Stand tall and lift your heels off the floor. Come up onto your toes, then slowly lower down. Use a wall or chair if needed. Breathe steady and stay balanced. Feel your calves, ankles, and feet activating. Next, we are doing step jacks. For the final move, step side to side while raising your arms overhead, or do low high knees if you prefer. Keep the movement light and energetic. Breathe in and out. Stay steady. Feel your whole body moving and your heart rate increasing. Now slowly reduce your speed. Start with a light walk. Keep your steps soft and relaxed. Take a deep breath. Inhale calm energy. Exhale any tightness or stress. Now slow down and stand comfortably. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Again inhale, fresh energy. Exhale all tension. Your body is now warm up, active and ready for workout. Thank you.